Factories often dump dirty water, use chemicals and oils directly into community water sources, such as a river and sea. Factories also produce solid waste, such as spoiled parts, scraps, empty containers, used polystyrene, wood pellets, plastic, paper, and other trash.
Now I will explain the advantages and the disadvantages of using a net. Advantages. First, it can collect both floating and sinking rubbish. Second, it can collect a lot of rubbish at one time. Third, fish that are trapped can easily get out by swimming to the middle of the two boats. Disadvantages. First, it uses a lot of energy. Second, ships can cause oil spill that pollutes the ocean. Third, it takes a long time for ships to move.
The aim of the sea bin is to stop garbage from leaving the ocean. The sea bin is situated at the water surface and is plumbed into a short-based water pump on the top. The water gets sucked into the sea bin, bringing all floating rubbish into the sea bin. Rubbish becomes caught in the bag while the water flows through the pump and back into the sea. The collected rubbish is then disposed of responsibly.
Now we will present to you about the advantage and disadvantage of the bubble barrier that people use. Advantage. Garbage in the river can be floated. This can facilitate the process of collecting the garbage. Disadvantage. The rubbish will still be there if no one comes to remove it.
Now, I am going to present the Rivermower. At the front of the Rivermower, we have the first conveyor belt. Next, we have the driver's seat and some solar cells to generate electricity. At the back, we have a wheel or a turbine to generate electricity, an electric motor, and a large bag to store all the rubbish. As the Rivermower moves, the floating rubbish in the way will get on the conveyor belt. Now, let's take a look at what is inside the Rivermower. As you can see, there are 3 conveyor belts. The rubbish will move on conveyor belt 2 and 3 before going into the large bag. The base of the Rivermower is made out of wood. It is less dense than water and it causes the Rivermower to float on water. There are 2 sources of energy. The first one is solar cells. It will convert light energy into electricity by the photovoltaic effect. The next source is the generator and the turbine. When the wheel of the Rivermower spins, due to the movement in water, the generator will transform mechanical energy to electrical energy to power the conveyor belt. The length of the Rivermower will be 2.5 meters, with the width will be 2 meters and the height will be 3 meters. Here are reasons on why we choose the Rivermower. First, it is energy saving. Second, it makes work faster and easier. Third, it does not release harmful gases. Fourth, it does not destroy natural habitats.